Alright guys, I just want to make this quick video to show you the little problem I'm having with this little JJRC Heron. It seems to fly okay. But let me tell you something, this ain't no Spark. Okay, I mean it looks just like a Spark in all seriousness, but no, it's not a Spark. But it's not bad. But it has an issue. Or maybe it's just mine. I have no idea. When you turn it on, you have to make sure the gimbal turns on. For some reason, sometimes it just doesn't want to turn on. Now, the first little video I did that little 1-minute test. I just wanted to see if it would fly without using the app. The gimbal turned on. But now the second video I did, which I didn't post yet, but I'm going to post before I post this one, the gimbal never turned on. And I never even noticed it because you don't always pay attention to stuff like that, especially when the thing's facing away from you and you turn the power on and it's sitting down on the ground. So you're not even going to see it going through its little calibration. So the second flight I did with it, the thing didn't even calibrate, so it just went like that. It didn't, it wasn't the thing wasn't working at all. The little motor in there was like not even turned on, so you just have to, when you turn it on, you're going to have to watch and pay attention to whether now see, this time it didn't do it, just like the time before. Oh, there it goes. Now it's starting to feel it. And the reason I knew that it was doing it before, or that it wasn't doing it before, is during the video I tried to turn the wheel. See, it's working now, it's turning. Okay, so now it's able to, now it's bound to the controller because the lights in the back are green. So I could put it in the manual override mode. And it would be able to start the motors, which I'm going to do right now. And now you see it's still working in the manual override. The gimbal's still working. And I can override the motors. It is quiet though, I'll give it that. But you just have to make sure that when you turn this thing on, that the gimbal goes through its and it squeals a lot too. You got to make sure the gimbal goes through its calibration. That's actually one of the signs that it's working. It'll start making that noise. So whenever you go to turn it on, you just have to make sure that it comes on, that it actually turns on. So the first time I did it, I mean, the thing about something like this, you just assume that it's going to come on. You don't even think that that's not going to happen, So when I post this video, you're going to see the video looks like total hell, because it's, this thing's not working, the motor's not working, so the jello, it's vibrating all over the place, but you're going to see what it looks like. And then I could like move it with my finger where now I can't. Because the wheel's holding it down. So I can't, it's not freed. The gimbal's actually working right now. So, yeah, you want the gimbal to work, because when this gimbal is not working, this video looks like hell. Okay? Looks like hell on earth. Alright guys, I just wanted to give you that little heads up on that, just to make sure before you start flying this thing, because you can fly it in the GPS mode or without the GPS mode, it doesn't matter. Just make sure your gimbal's moving with the wheel before you take off and waste your time. Okay? Because sometimes it just doesn't. For some reason on mine, sometimes it just doesn't want to come on. I don't know why. Who knows? Maybe there's a short or something in there. I just don't know. All right, guys. Have a nice day.
Bunkers are like a dying breed.
Oh yeah.
Like they're not.